Hello everyone, and welcome to a new educational video on common collocations. Collocations are combinations of words that frequently go together, making our speech and writing sound more natural and fluent. Today, we'll explore some of the most common collocations, provide example sentences, and practice using them in context. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use these word combinations effectively. Additionally, we've included comprehension questions to help reinforce your learning. So, let's get started on this journey to mastering collocations. The importance of learning common collocations. Fluency and naturalness make speech and writing sound more like a native speaker. Improved comprehension enhances understanding of spoken and written language. Effective communication reduces misunderstandings and clarifies messages. Enhanced vocabulary expands and deepens vocabulary usage. Cultural insight provides insight into cultural norms and usage. Better writing skills improves coherence and quality of writing. Time efficiency speeds up language learning by learning chunks. Reading and listening proficiency aids in quicker, more accurate comprehension. Confidence building boosts confidence in language use. Overview. Earn common collocations. Examples: reading stories, interactive questions, matching questions, sentence completion questions, multiple choice questions. Common collocations. Earn. Let's begin with set 1 of Earn collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Earn a salary or a wage. Earn success. Earn a title. Earn respect. Earn a qualification. Earn a living. Earn money. Earn a diploma. Earn credibility. Earn a medal.
Examples: Leona works long hours to earn a decent salary and support her family. Through determination and hard work, Luca finally earned success in his business. After winning 3 consecutive championships, Jennifer earned the title of the best gymnast in the country. A good leader earns respect by treating their team fairly and honestly. Adam studied for years to earn a qualification in engineering. Many artists struggle to earn a living from their work. Austin started an online business to earn money from home. Hannah was proud to finally earn her diploma after years of studying. The journalist earned credibility by reporting unbiased and well-researched news. The athlete trained tirelessly to earn a gold medal in the Olympics.
The journey of a dedicated teacher. Carmen always dreamed of becoming a teacher. To earn a qualification, she studied hard and completed her teacher training program. After years of dedication, she finally earned a diploma in education and started applying for jobs. At first, it was difficult, but she eventually earned a salary as a primary school teacher. She worked tirelessly, going the extra mile to help her students succeed. Over time, her efforts earned her respect from both her colleagues and students' parents. Through her commitment, Carmen earned credibility as an outstanding educator. She didn't just teach, she inspired. Her innovative teaching methods and care for her students led her to earn success in her field. She was later awarded Teacher of the Year, officially earning a title that recognized her contributions. Carmen knew teaching was more than just a job, it was a passion. While she worked to earn a living and earn money, her greatest reward was seeing her students grow and achieve their dreams. One day, at a school event, her dedication was formally acknowledged, and she was presented with a golden badge, officially earning a medal for her outstanding service.
Matching questions. Match the scenarios with the correct phrases. Earn success. Earn a diploma. Earn credibility. Earn a title. Earn a salary. To support his family, Timothy works long hours to blank of national hero. After years of hard work, Isabel finally managed to blank in business administration. The soldier's bravery in battle helped him blank that covers his expenses. By completing all the required courses, Andrea was able to blank in the fashion industry. The journalist worked hard to blank as a reliable news source.
Let's continue. Let's begin with set 2 of Earn Collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Earn a fortune. Earn a promotion. Earn extra income. Earn a high income. Earn trust. Earn a certificate. Earn someone's approval. Earn a bonus. Earn recognition. Earn admiration.
Examples. Dominic earned a fortune by investing wisely in the stock market. After 5 years of dedication, Margot finally earned a promotion to manager. Emmett started tutoring in the evenings to earn extra income. Doctors and specialized professionals often earn a high income. It takes time to earn someone's trust, but only a moment to lose it. After completing the course, Arthur earned a certificate in project management. Gabrielle worked hard to earn her boss's approval on the new project. Employees who meet their targets can earn a performance bonus at the end of the year. His innovative ideas earned him recognition in the scientific community. The firefighter earned admiration for his bravery in saving the family.
The ambitious entrepreneur. Daniel had always wanted to start his own business. He took a risk, investing everything into his startup, hoping to earn a fortune one day. At first, things were slow, and he had to take side jobs to earn extra income and support himself. To strengthen his business skills, Daniel enrolled in an advanced entrepreneurship program, working hard to earn a certificate in business management. This gave him the knowledge and confidence he needed to make smarter decisions and grow his company. His determination paid off. As his business grew, he began to earn a high income, and soon, his company gained a great reputation in the industry. His leadership skills and dedication helped him earn trust from investors and clients, which allowed him to expand his business further. After a few years, his exceptional work earned him a promotion to CEO of the company he had built. His employees appreciated his hard work, and he managed to earn someone's approval at every level of business. His efforts didn't go unnoticed. At a prestigious business awards ceremony, he earned recognition for his company's success and was given the Best Entrepreneur of the Year trophy. He was proud to earn admiration from his peers, proving that his hard work had truly paid off. On top of that, his company's profits soared, and he was able to earn a bonus that allowed him to invest in new ventures. Daniel's journey wasn't easy, but it was worth it. His success wasn't just about wealth, it was about proving to himself and others that dreams could be achieved with dedication and hard work.
Sentence completion questions. Read the sentences below and fill in the blanks with the correct collocations from the list. Earn a high income, earn a promotion, earn a certificate, earn trust, earn extra income, earn a medal, earn a fortune. 1. The young entrepreneur invested wisely and was able to blank. 2. After demonstrating strong leadership skills, Rosalie was thrilled to blank at her company. 3. Many freelancers take on additional projects to blank and support their lifestyle. 4. Doctors and experienced professionals often blank because of their specialized skills. 5. It takes time to blank, but it can be lost in an instant if betrayed. 6. Completing an online course allows professionals to blank and improve their qualifications.
Let's carry on. Let's begin with set 3 of Earn Collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Earn commission. Earn an allowance. Earn a reputation. Earn praise. Earn a degree. Earn an award. Earn loyalty. Earn a scholarship. Earn appreciation. Earn a place in a competition or team.
Examples. Sales representatives earn commission based on the number of products they sell. Children often earn an allowance by helping with household chores. Over the years, Lillian has earned a reputation as a trustworthy lawyer. The teacher earned praise for her creative and engaging lessons. Diego worked hard to earn a degree in computer science. Her outstanding performance earned her an award for Best Actress. Companies that treat customers well earn long-term loyalty. His excellent academic record helped him earn a scholarship to a top university. The volunteers earned appreciation for their selfless work in disaster relief. Dean trained for months to earn a place in the national football team.
The rising sports star. Esther had always been passionate about athletics. From a young age, she worked tirelessly to improve her skills, hoping to earn a place on the national team one day. She participated in competitions, trained rigorously, and never gave up, even when things got tough. As she continued competing, her outstanding performances helped her earn a reputation as one of the most promising young athletes in her country. Her dedication to training and fair play also helped her earn loyalty from her teammates and coaches, who always supported her. Despite the challenges, she pushed forward. Her impressive achievements in various tournaments led her to earn an award for being the best female athlete of the year. She also managed to earn a scholarship, allowing her to study at a top university while continuing her sports career. Balancing sports and academics was not easy, but Esther was determined. She worked hard in both areas, excelling in her studies while training for competitions. Over time, she successfully earned a degree in sports science, which deepened her understanding of athletic performance and injury prevention. She wasn't just talented, she was hardworking. As she started competing in bigger events, her victories helped her earn praise from sports analysts and fans. In addition to the prize money, she also began to earn commission from sponsorship deals. Though she was focused on training, she still found time to mentor younger athletes. Her kindness and dedication helped her earn appreciation from the local sports community. Meanwhile, at home, her parents rewarded her achievements with a little extra pocket money, allowing her to earn an allowance as a sign of their pride. In the end, Esther's hard work led her to her ultimate goal. She made it to the national team, officially earning a place among the country's top athletes. Her journey had been challenging, but she had proven that persistence, talent, and passion could lead to greatness.
Multiple choice questions. Read the sentences and circle the correct one. 1. Students who achieve excellent academic results may be able to blank. A. Earn an allowance. B. Earn a scholarship. C. Earn commission. 2. Which phrase best describes building a good professional image over time? A. Earn a medal. B. A diploma. C. Earn a reputation. 3. The talented young artist received standing ovations for her incredible performance, helping her blank from both critics and fans. A. Earn praise. B. Earn commission. C. Earn an award. 4. When a child helps with household chores, parents might allow him to blank. A. Earn recognition. B. Earn a degree. C. Earn an allowance. 5. After years of dedication to his studies, James finally managed to blank, which opened doors to better career opportunities. A. Earn a degree. B. Earn commission. C. Earn loyalty. 6. If an athlete performs exceptionally well, they may blank in the national team. A. Earn a certificate. B. A diploma. C. Earn a place.
Thank you for joining this educational video on common collocations. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of how to use these essential word combinations. Remember, the key to mastering collocations is practice and exposure. Continue to read, listen, and use these collocations in your daily communication. Don't forget to test your understanding by answering the comprehension questions. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Keep practicing, and you'll see your language skills improve in no time. Have a great day, and happy learning!